Hold up. Carriers often travel as a part of large groups.
No one here now. Ready? All right.
I'd so trip if I ran for these.
I know, right?
Smurfs wouldn't survive in this world.
Oh, I didn't know that. I wasn't sure.
Yo, what up? Please,
Let's
will
go!
I'm trying to put something.
You know what?
Will you calm down, bro? Will you go?
Hurry up, Devin.
I can't, you.
Well, I'm pretty scared.
No, not you.
Hurry up.
Yeah, this is a sickness.
If you blow up, I'm blaming it on the phone.
You can't say things like that. Navigation unit, so you have an 18 or 18-year-old kid standing.
Where's my license?
Go. He's right behind. It's so hot. Go forward.
Hello. Hi. Oh, no, we're on Intrepid. Yes. Have you know the story or no?
Navigation bridge, yes.
Now, what is this route?
It's a navigation bridge, is where you drive the ship.
Oh, nice. So you guys drive the ship. Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we know.
Oh, that phone is cool.
Oh, really? Sleeping quarters.
Okay.
Whoa.
There's something. Yeah. Oh, look at those layers. Beautiful layers.
Guys, you can't even go this way.
You can't.
The door is locked.
No, it ain't.
Do not touch.
I can't even reach that.
Yeah. You can do slap me and what's the shirt on it?
I told you, Deshaun. Hopefully we don't have to go all the way.
Oh, what I hit.
Yeah.
Guys, enough horseplay.
I've had enough.
Yeah, Devin.
Now let's go.
You make me fall on these stairs.
Hey, Deshaun, that really hurt.
These stairs are crazy.
Yeah, imagine running up and down the one side.
I'm pretty sure you're supposed to go down and backwards.
Imagine having to run down those.
You just jump the whole thing.
No, you wouldn't.
Oh,
You'd hit
he
your
would.
head on the thing.
Ouch.
I think you would. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you would.
Oh, yeah, you
Boom.
would.
Jump it like diagonal. You're supposed to go down these stairs backwards.
No one would be named Landry back then.
Yo, what is the moment thinking?
Way to think positive. So many stairs.